Hi, I'm Dr. Alex and I'm a doctor of chiropractic, and today we're joined by Maria. Maria is a patient who I've been seeing for quite some time. She comes when she has different symptoms of different kinds. Quite recently it's been migraine type headaches and discomfort in the upper mid-back shoulder area. So today she's come in for a treatment and we're gonna try and help her with her symptoms. So, 来吧. Good. A little bit sore? One more time. Good. And the neck.
Ouch.
Yeah, a bit of pain in this area, right? Yeah. A lot of times headaches originate from this area right here. Good. And out. Very good. Very good. You still alive? Very good. Very good. And breathe out. Very good. Now, in Maria's line of work, she works as a cosmetologist. Am I saying that right then?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So obviously quite a lot of work, well, bent forward, no? Helping, giving people treatments, always working with your hands up here. So it's quite often that people with these kind of jobs develop quite a bit of tension, as so is the case with Maria here. So we're just trying to work a little bit with the muscle relaxation here as well. Pressure okay for you? Good. Oh, now you actually have quite a...
Yes,
especially there on the left side, you can definitely feel that.
Yeah, left side I already have 2 or 3 weeks the problem there.
Yeah.
And we work with this and it's
Still a bit nasty. So yeah, you actually have quite, you can definitely feel like right there, I'm going over something, right? So yeah, it's quite a nasty little trigger point you have right there.
And headache and swollen on the right hand is
exactly.
Yeah. Sweden technique. This I know. Right? And you just push.
Yeah.
It's from Sweden. It's not American technique.
No. Like classic Swedish massage, yeah. Well, this is what we call trigger point pressure anyway. Good. Breathe in. One more time. And out. Good. 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 There you go. Breathe in. And out. Good. Beautiful.
Beautiful crack.
Yeah, that's awesome. That was today's treatment. So how do you feel?
Thank you, doctor. I feel much more better. It's always after our treatment, I have a more like blood circulation going, more bright color and more refreshing, like body more soft.
Yeah, oh, perfect. That's what we're here for. So hopefully you're fit and ready for your holiday now.
Tink you very much.
And we'll see you when you get back.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So me, Dr. Alex, Maria from ChiroCare, ChiroCare. See you next time. 再见。